try to spin him around. We didn't think they would pit him there with 2 bad tires, but they did. Oh, all kinds of sparks. Look at that, though. Still refusing to give up. Collided again. Again, a third one, spinning them around again. This is, I can't remember last time I saw 3 and the vehicle still continues. What is it going to take to get this person to stop? Just absolute madness. Wow, oh, the rear bumper getting completely ripped off. Can this vehicle continue? The Kia will not give out on this one. I just cannot believe. I don't know that I've ever seen 4 pit maneuvers in the course of one pursuit, especially on a vehicle that only has 2 tires